So, how to fix Telegram too many attempts problem. So, hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix too many attempts problem easily and fast. So, all what you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and then go back to the settings, go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. Go to Telegram app, click here on this option and then go back to the home page, open the settings again, go to the wireless and networks and then disable the airplane mode and open the Play Store. After that, you need to update your Telegram. If you don't have the latest version from here, it will show you an update version and you can do the same thing on iOS. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.